Everyone received my IPSY. Love the back. Was not going to do a review, but I love the back. And this is called Flying Colors. And what's in here is a lip polish. It says luxury lip gloss. That's funny. Pore Profession Pore Primer. What else is in here? Pure Brazilian. I don't have my glasses on. I can't see what that is. Look like a leave-in conditioner. Of course, some type of pencil. Okay, look like Beauty Favorite. Oh, Beauty for Real. I had to take that out of there. I'm not quite sure what type of pencil it is. Either eyeliner or look more like an eyeliner. And what's the last item in here? Is a lip treatment. Okay, that's it. I'm not testing it because I'm reclining, relaxing, and yeah, that's about it.